When we tell people to invest in real estate, then of course there's always the big question, is it the right time? Over on the German Real.estate YouTube channel, we just recently published a lot of videos about this real estate bubble, right? The World Bank is expecting a big real estate crash next year. UBS, the Swiss bank, published a report putting like Frankfurt on top of their real estate bubble index. I'm very, very skeptical about this real estate bubble discussion. But you're the real estate expert here. So tell us, Vanesa, what's your forecast for real estate in Germany in 2023? Are we in a bubble?
Let's start different. Let's start it the other way. Basically, what I think the rents are going to increase massively. I think the rent's going to increase. We talked about the 48% demand on rental housing and the actual rents. And I mean, these are also forecasts what we don't, it's not just us what we have as a forecast. These are also, for example, Dr. Schick, he is the leader of the board from the German Real Estate Association, or Ms. Korkfield, the leader of the Immobilien Scout. So these are all forecasts also from real estate economists, right? They're having the same assume what is going to happen for the next year. And yeah, we are on one that the rents are going to increase. The interest rate will stabilize, so the euro can't really afford that. I mean, the European Central Bank knows that. There's too much debt during Corona, right? So they cannot really go more up because it will be very bad for them as well. And still, the demand is there. For our clients, I mean, clients are still investing, they're seeing this opportunity as well. And if we're in a bubble, I don't think we're in a bubble right now, especially because of that. There's a lack of many apartments internationally. So there's a lot of room still to improve, and you really have to know how to deal right now in the situation. How can I, what is the development of my property? Who will take care of that, right? So you really need to see or to take that chance out of the situation right now. Very important. There are assumptions for next year, and like me and many more real estate economists, they don't believe in a bubble right now, no. Because again, you compare other countries around us, like UK, it's like upward prices. They don't even have all these advantages like we do here in Germany. And I doubt that it's gonna go like a crash or something else.
The major argument of these bubble enthusiasts is they just look at the prices, but they don't believe in this, or they don't look at the simple market economics, right? It's a simple supply and demand issue. In order to have a bubble, you need excess supply. You need more supply than demand, and then the prices will fall. We have the exact opposite.
Exactly. I mean, let's say even if, in America, like 2007, 2008, the market recovered pretty quick. It took, I think, about 5 years to recover really from the whole crash. And people made such a great profit out of that. I mean, I don't believe this is going to happen here. But I say, even if you can make such a great deal out of all the situation, that's for sure. And the market will recover pretty quick. It's the same like ETFs or funds, right? Market is down right now, but it will recover, right? So you just have to be patient in all this. And really start. That's the most important. Don't lose any time. Use the advantages you have. I always say the later you will thank you one day for that. Because otherwise, if you keep waiting with many more situations in your life, you're gonna be like, why I didn't do that before.
Waiting for the perfect moment, right?
There is no perfect moment.
For the perfect property, the perfect financing.
Yeah, and yeah, here, I guess, at the end, I just want to mention that at the end you should look also differently. Don't go to see the property first. Check your financial situation first. Partner with us, partner with me, really to see what does make sense for you, and then you go and see and look for a property. I always say the property will find you, right? There is this perfect or good property for you, but the property will find you. Go better that way, and then it's going to work out pretty well, I'm sure.